Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by defining exactly what the report will cover and why it matters to operations. Gather attendance lists, objectives, budgets, and competency metrics now so you can analyze rather than search later. Once done, map each training to measurable outcomes and assign employee ID for tracking. Make sure to save originals and a working copy labeled with date and version number. This preserves auditability and speeds analysis when you start compiling performance gaps. You now turn raw data into insight by aggregating scores, completion rates, and KPI shifts in a single spreadsheet. Convert differing scales to a common metric so you can compare courses and departments objectively. Once normalized, segment results by role and location to spot trends and training ROI. Make charts for visual clarity and write short evidence statements explaining why each trend matters to guest satisfaction, compliance, or labor efficiency before drafting recommendations. You finish by writing a concise executive summary that states purpose, main findings, and 3 prioritized actions. Then lay out a clear action plan with owners, deadlines, estimated costs, and measurable targets so managers can act immediately. Once done, attach raw data and charts as appendices for transparency. Make sure to schedule a follow-up review date. Troubleshooting tip: if stakeholders disagree with metrics, revisit normalization and provide raw data slices to resolve.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.